glasses. These are for beauty, you know.
And how much?
Simple and, you know, beautiful. No pressure in this life.
Exactly. Hi besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel Debbie Wambo Kama Kawa Ita with another hot, interesting outfit video. And yes guys, leo nimewaletea a very beautiful young lady. So in the count of 1, 2, 3. Yes!
Thank you.
You look nice, you look amazing, you look awesome.
Thank you.
Introduce kwanza before tujaanza.
My name is Naomi.
Naomi. Maybe nasikia kuna usisho kwanza na wapi? Kwa kichwa. How much for the turban?
The turban was 1K.
1,000. How much for the glasses?
The glasses. These are for beauty, you know.
And how much?
These were 25.
2,500. Okay. How much for the dress?
The dress, full attire, including the belt, was about like 3K.
3K?
Yes.
How much for the dolly gray shoes?
Yeah, simple and, you know, beautiful. These are only
1,500.
Yes.
Ah, wow. Can you leave us with a word of encouragement and a Bible verse?
Mimi kinatuambia no pressure in this life.
Exactly. Waambie pages zako ndio wakufollow.
Niko hapo hivyo Instagram, Chinku, they call me Chinku. Or Naomi Mwangi 81.
Okay.
TikTok Naomi Mwangi.
Okay. And yes guys, zangu ni Kama Kawa Debbie Wambo at all platforms. And by the way, to get these classy lashes, just DM Glam by Mariga on TikTok. Natakufanyia services mzuri sana that you won't regret. Na I take long, only less than 45 minutes and you get your lashes on. It's only been for 4 weeks now and you can see guys. Yeah. So bye till we meet next time. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.